My name is Bobby Land, and this is Witness Riding. Guys, if you don't mind, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. I know you're probably having trouble hearing me, but I mean, like, it is pouring down rain. I mean, we've got a lot of rain. Like, it is incredible. So, you know, like, it's been doing this for weeks now. We get like one sunny day every week or every other week. It's incredible. I'll show you some montage here in a minute of some of the flooded like ditches and creeks and stuff on the side of the road when I start getting to where I can get a little bit better to do that. Guys, look at all this water. I mean, I'm gonna try and get over here and show you this Beaver Creek. It's called Beaver Creek. Look how flooded. It's all back in there, just flooded. We got all this water on the road here, like. Guys, look at all of this rainwater. My goodness. Woo. Somebody went off in the ditch right there, and they ended up having to go out over that direction. Look at that. Golly. Hopefully, guys, I can get you where you can see some of the, like, how much water is actually covering the road over there, if those cars will hurry up and get there. I mean, he's going to hit it hard. Look at him. Golly. Alright guys, so there's this little like utility road or whatever right up here. I've been wanting to drive up it for a while and just go to the top of Wade Mountain here and see what that's like. And what a great day to do that. I mean, it's raining, it's pretty stinking miserable outside. And well, let's just go and see what's up there. We're sliding a little bit. That's right, baby, 4-wheel drive. Look, there's a hawk flying. I don't know if y'all seen that or not. like it goes on down that way. Pretty good view from up here, huh? Oh, wee. Woo! Oh! Hold on a second, guys. Let me turn my downhill assist on just in case. Sorry about that, guys. A little bit bigger bump than I anticipated. Good Lord. Well, guys, as you can tell, there's not going to be an exotic car video today because, I mean, it is pouring down rain. I mean, we got water standing in my yard, like, just like all out in here. I got more running down over there. And I'm going to try and zoom in to that over there, see if you guys can see that. I mean, this is probably the most full I've seen the lake. It is almost up over my neighbor's pier there. If you can see it, can't get the focus there. Over his pier there. I mean, up into the trees. It's pretty crazy. Winnebago, guys. Hopefully the rain will go away in the next few days. I know they're talking about we're going to get some snow now. So, not for sure. I'll just try and keep you updated, guys. Hey, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. Share these videos, guys. Go see my video about can you buy a Lamborghini making YouTube videos. Please help share that. Let's get that promoted. I want to see if it's possible. Help me with this experiment. I've only had like 3 shares, and I'm pretty sure 2 of those were mine, and one of them was my nephew. Well, anyway, guys, until the next video, hopefully it'll clear up soon. I'll see you then, and we look forward to you riding with us. Dum